videos on your WordPress site using the Elementor builder. All right, the first step is you're going to want to log into your WordPress dashboard by going to your site's URL, typing /wp-admin, and then typing your username and password, which you should have received once you set up hosting with us. You'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard, and the next thing you're going to want to do is go to, on the left side, Pages, and then click on All Pages. This will take you to a list of all of the pages on your website, and you'll need to figure out which page does the video that you want to change exist on. So in my case, my page that I have the video on is the videos page. Now, instead of clicking on the name videos, you're actually going to want to click this Edit with Elementor section. That shows up when you hover over each page. And so when you hover over the page, Edit with Elementor shows up. Go ahead and click on it. It will load the Elementor page editor on your WordPress site. It takes maybe about 30 seconds to load. Once it loads, you will actually see two things. On the right-hand side, you will see a mock-up of your actual page. This is how it appears to people visiting it. And on the left-hand side, you will see the different modules that you could add to the page. In this case, we are just editing a video that currently exists on the page, so we're not even going to worry about the left-hand side for now. Scroll on the page until you find the video that you would like to replace, and then hover over it, but do not click on it. When you hover over it, on the right-hand side, there will be a pink icon that shows up with a pencil on it, and that is your Edit Video button. Go ahead and click that Edit Video button in the top right corner. When you click on that, the left-hand side will now open up the editor for this specific video. There are a lot of different settings, and feel free to look through all of them, but in this case, we are just going to swap out which video shows up on the website. So you can see that exists in the link text box here. So the first thing to do is to find the link of the video that you would like to replace it with. In my case, I went on my YouTube channel and found this video of Beyonce 2 Most Wanted, and I'm going to grab the URL from this YouTube video and copy it to my clipboard. So I click copy, and then we're going to go back to the Elementor editor and go to this link text box, and we're going to right click, select all, delete, and then we're going to right click and paste and put that corrected video link in. You'll see that that swapped out the preview on the right-hand side. And if this looks good to you, you are actually almost done. The last thing to do is on the bottom of that left-hand editor, click the pink update button, and that will start to spin, showing you that it's saving. And once it stops spinning and turns black, then you are done and you have successfully swapped out the video on your website.